Hello and welcome back. Paulie here, and I've got a great recipe. Okay, let's get started with our simple vinaigrette for our cucumber tomato salad. Now, first of all, we're going to go in with some extra virgin olive oil. Now, you want to make sure you have an extra virgin olive oil that's great for making dressings, that has a great flavor on its own. You can just taste it as it is, like so. Nice mild flavor is good. And to that, we're going to go in with some red wine vinegar. And you want to have about just a small amount of vinegar in comparison to the amount of oil that you used. I'll have the ratio in my description or drop down below. Along with the ingredients that I'm using today. So to this, we're going to go in with some sugar. Now, what sugar is going to do, you don't need too much, but you need some to cut the acid taste in our dressing. So you got your acid in there, next to it with the olive oil, and then you've got some sugar to cut the acid, like so. And I'm going to add some Aleppo pepper for some seasoning, or for some added heat, like so. Pinch of salt, kosher salt, and some cracked black pepper. So we want to get all of our spices whisked together, like so. Once you have everything combined, we can go in with our shallot, and I've got finely minced shallots here. Probably about only a half of a large shallot there. And like I said, you'll see all those amounts in the drop down below. Give that another whisk. Like so. Now we're ready to give it a sample taste here. Wow, such great flavor there. Now I've got, it's got a little more salt than I like. So I'm going to go in to adjust that. We're just going to add some more fat or olive oil. I had a heavy hand with my pinch of salt. So to make a correction to that, we just got to add a little more oil, whisk that. So you got to have your a good palate exercise there. As long as your palate's been very well exercised, you can taste your salt, your acid, your sugar, and get the right balance that you need. We'll go in with another taste test. Ah, perfection. We're ready to go. We're ready to add this to our vinaigrette, or add the vinaigrette rather to our cucumber tomato salad. and we're ready to serve. So our grilled meats and stuff for our parties ready to go, and now we've got a great side dish and salad to go with our summer grill out. So hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.